Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How are we all doing today? I hope you're doing well. My name is Jason, and it's an early one for us today. We're getting started bright and early today because it's CPI day. It's the most important CPI of our lives until the next one. And then the next one will be the most important one of our lives. What's up, Karachi Killer? How are you doing? The next one. Hope you're doing good. What's up, Karachi Killer? Do something real quick here. There we go. Much better. So, yes, CPI day today. It's a big data event. And so I spent the morning just kind of like digging through Twitter to kind of see where everybody's heads are at. I also spent some time looking at the charts to see kind of what we've done over the past couple CPI prints, because obviously we're curious about that. We want to know, since we don't know necessarily what to expect today, we can always look back and see, well, what happened the last couple times. So I've got them marked over here on my chart. I want to go over them with you guys. If you guys haven't had the opportunity to do this yourself, I went back 4 CPI prints. First one in May here. Looks like we had a gap up early in the morning. When we first opened, we gapped up, but the CPI print came right around in here. So initial reaction was not so great. They bought it back up and they sold it off the rest of the day, and we ended up pretty much almost gap down the next day. So not the greatest look back in May, right? We had a sell-off all day, and the next day sold off as well. All right, one decent data point for us. Let's go to the next one. June 10. What do we see? Pretty much the same deal, right? They sold it off. They sold it off all day, or they sold it off in the pre-market. They sold it off all day. We gapped down, and we went quite lower the following day. 2 sets of data. Both of them pretty ugly so far. Let's go to the next one. July 13. July 13, things were looking a little hopeful, at least during the trading day. They did initially not like the CPI print, but they bought it back up pre-market. They opened the day and didn't really quite get anywhere, and we ended up gap down the following day. 3 sets of data, not super great looks. And then we have August 10 print, quite a different vibe. They bought it up. We ran all day. We gapped up the following day. So, I don't know about you. I don't know if you're bullish. I don't know if you're bearish. I don't know how you feel about these sorts of things. I don't know how you're positioned. But 3 out of the past 4 data prints have not been very good. So we'll see how this one goes today. Like I said, I did a little searching. And a couple of things that I found. First of all, CPI estimates for today per all of the different banks. This is what we've got. We got Credit Suisse saying 7.9%. We got Morgan Stanley saying 7.9%. Wells Fargo and Goldman Sachs. Actually, Wells Fargo, 7.9%. So we got 3 big banks saying 7.9%. We got Goldman Sachs at 8. We got CIBC at 8. We got Jefferies at 8. We got Standard Chartered at 8. We got Visa at 8. We've got Nomura at 8. Citibank at 8. And then they start to increase. We got JP Morgan at 8.1. Scotiabank at 8.1. Bank of America at 8.2. HSB at 8.2. BMO 8.3. So that's kind of interesting. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? Mike, how are you today, sir? I hope you're doing good. Habib, how are you today? Mike, I saw that you tweeted just a moment ago that you don't usually care about these sorts of data values, these sorts of numbers, but you're interested in this one today. Let's talk about that a little bit. Just looking at where we're at, we had some this weekend, you know, every weekend we release a little kind of where are we, what have we done, what could be coming next. And this is kind of where my head was at on things. Move this stuff around. The big thing is, you know, on really all of the indices, we found some support right at this pivot low. And we've managed now to come right into these areas of interest that I kind of outlined over the weekend. Pretty critical levels, pretty important, pretty interesting levels where price, you might anticipate price finding a little bit of resistance. So we're right there now at that first zone of interest, coming right into kind of where we lost right here. Now there are levels above. You got the anchored VWAP from the all-time high. You've got kind of in here, generally in here, this 425 to 423 area. Maybe we'll see some of that this week if these numbers turn out to be pretty good for us. If we go to the Qs, pretty similar look. Slightly different look, but pretty similar. You've got your anchored VWAP from your all-time high. Coming in right to where we lost again. So it looks like the Qs are kind of running a little bit behind in comparison to the SPY. And then, you know, a zone of interest up here also around 324, 325. So that 25 level on both the SPY and the Qs, pretty interesting, pretty important spots. IWM. We go to IWM and we see again something quite similar. Finding support at that swing low. Coming right into these zones of interest. So I feel like, you know, depending on how these numbers go this week, we could really see some pivotal moves here, you know. If we start making new highs, especially relative to this one, this guy right here, be 201 on IWM. Be 333 on the Qs. And on SPY, talking about 430 or so. If we start making moves past that, I'm going to become increasingly more bullish here. You guys know, if you've been watching my show over the past month and a half, 2 months, you know I've been pretty bullish coming off of these lows. And this pullback was a bit more extended than I anticipated. I kind of thought we'd catch a little bit sooner than we did. But, you know, we still theoretically have put in a higher low here, albeit close. They really, really came close, especially on SPY. I believe IWM kind of front ran that low just a smidge. No, it did take it out too. So they might have been just pulling liquidity here. Excuse me, guys. QQQ, yeah, so they all kind of look the same. QQQ had a close underneath that low, which was a little bit concerning for me, a bit of a warning shot. So we're at really important spots. I know I say it all the time. We're always at important spots, right? But what are you guys thinking? How are you guys feeling about things? Mike's covered in ants, so he couldn't sleep. Manny, you don't like it when all of the estimates align. Why is that, man? Habib 12873 likely target from yesterday. Is that in Q? 12873. I mean, we're about to hit that here, aren't we? We just had quite a bit of volatility in the past couple of minutes here with the market opening, or pre-market opening. Yeah, you know, Manny, that's kind of interesting. Everyone can't be right. That's true. That's true. I mean, they did pretty much hint at a 75 bips hike like a week and a half ago. They pretty much said that that's what they were going to do. But, you know, as I'm understanding it, The consensus is a softening inflation, right? So if that's wrong, then the market is just misguided. So I guess anything between like 7.9 and 8.1, market is right. If it's greater than 8.1, then you're getting into more bearish territory. If it's less than 9 or 7.9, then you're getting into more bullish territory. I guess if it's less than 7.9, then there's the potential for decreased rate hikes, right? And that's what everybody's looking for. You think fake rip and then dump, Karachi. It'll be interesting to see. I'm curious to know, everybody who's here, are you all TrendSpider users? Skeezy, they have not yet. They're dropping them here in about 19 minutes. We got all eyes on the 1 minute chart we're watching. Do I have any non-TrendSpider users here? Because if I do, I want to hook you up. So let me do that. Let me grab this real quick. Here we go. I'm just grabbing a coupon for you guys. Not a user. All right, Jay. New here. All right, P. Well, here you go. Here's a hookup. I believe this is 35% off. Sadie, can we confirm that we are 35% off here on this coupon? I'm hollering at my girl Sadie. She's my she's my right-hand woman. Oh, she doesn't know. It's either 25 or 35. Anyway, Jay, P, Michael, Tammy, we would love to get you guys on the platform. So if you're interested in being a TrendSpider user, we'd love to get you on the platform. Happy to answer any questions. Oh, it is 25. Thank you, Lush. Appreciate you. If you're interested in being a TrendSpider user, use that coupon. Get you 25% off any plan of your choice. You can. Well, all right. So Manny is a little bit of a gray area. We do have futures. Yes. They are live. Yes. They are an additional $7.50 a month. Okay, so there's your 35% off. Sweet. Even better for Tammy, Michael, P, and J. There's your 35% off. I need to save this real quick. Futures are $7.50 a month. However, if you have a coupon, yeah, perfect. Absolutely, Skeezy. Sure thing, we do. We can talk about it too. If you have a coupon, then the futures data is the price with the coupon. So, for example, if it's 35% off the $7.50. Oh, you pulled it from the YouTube description. Smart, Sadie. Good on you. Skeezy, yeah, market scanner right here. You can scan up to 4 different time frames at once. You can scan for all kinds of different conditions: price conditions, candlestick pattern conditions, indicator conditions, earnings dates, values, dividend dates, values, split dates, news content, analyst estimates, and then you can define specific watch lists that you want to be scanning through, or names that have to be. You can define that names are in certain watch lists of yours as your scan criteria. You can give different sets of criteria, different definitions. So, for example, let me look for something real quick. I'm just going to grab something here, see if I can find. No, that doesn't have it. So, for example, you can define one set of criteria as all of those things are true, and then you can define another set of criteria as any of these things are true. You can define even another set of criteria as none of these things are true. You can get very, very specific with the types of scans that you're looking for, with the type of criteria that you're looking for. The 35% off link did not work. Sadie, we need to fix this. 35% off link didn't work. 25% off link did. I don't think you're doing anything wrong, Tammy. Let's see if we can get Sadie to help you out. Tammy, bear with us, dear. We're going to take care of you. So yeah, Skeezy, you know, if you have specific things that you're looking for, I'm happy to kind of like talk you through how to look for it. But yeah, super powerful scanner. Like I said, it's just a matter of kind of what you're after. Okay, sweet. So Tammy, Sadie's gonna hook you up. She's gonna take care of you. Send you a link as soon as she figures out what's going on there. All right, so we are 14 minutes away from CPI. I'm very interested to see where things are going to be going here. Futures kind of selling off a little bit. Q's kind of selling off a little bit. Guesses for where we close today. You guys want to throw some guesses at me? Where the Q's close today? I'm going to start. Let's see here. Trading 312 right now. I think things are going to be better than we think. So I'm going to be looking for a close. I would say like 318 or so. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Somewhere around 318. What do you guys think? Mike says 306. Dang, Mike, you bearish. Tammy, give that another go. Let's see if that works for you. Oh, there was a typo. Ah, makes sense. He's never bearish or bullish. Tony T88 says 317, high of 318. Tony, let's see. 317. That's where we're closing for Tony. Tone. 306. I'm going to remove all this good stuff here. Six. Interesting. So Mike, are you guessing that the CPI print's going to be higher than we anticipate? Where did my little thing go? On the daily. Darn, where did my thing go? I'm gonna have to make a new one. All right, I'm gonna put this one on the daily. I'm gonna go back and do this again. All right, I'm at 318. Mike's at 306. Tony is at 317. Antonio Karachi says 306.69. Interesting. Manny, you get that coupon, sir? Skeezy, what's your guess on Qs, man? Faikal says 300s. That's pretty loose. Tag the high, reject, fill the gap, cover shorts. Boom, boom. Bang, bang. Skeezy says 318.33. David Nguyen says 318. Amit. What's up, Amit? How are you? Hope you're doing good. If I call, you got to give me something better than 300s. You got to give me like a more specific number. 300s could be anything. Awesome. Tammy. Yes. So, anybody who signs up, just so you know, new win. What did I say wrong? Mike? Win. Anyway, anybody who signs up, just so you guys know, first thing, if you have any questions about the platform, down here in the bottom right-hand corner where it says Contact Us, this is a direct feed into our employee chat room. We have live employees in chat Monday through Friday, about 20 hours per day. On the weekends, about 8 hours per day. So as you're getting comfortable on the platform, you're going to have questions. Feel free to reach out and chat anytime you have any questions about anything. We are here to help you get comfortable. That's the first thing. Second thing, you guys see my Twitter handle here down in the bottom of the screen. You're welcome to reach out to me anytime you have any questions about anything. I'm happy to assist you. When I'm here live, we can talk through whatever you want as far as the platform is concerned. New win. We can talk through any of the tools on the platform. I'm happy to help with any questions that you have. If you need help building a scanner, you want to understand a tool better, whatever it is, hit me with those cues. That's why I'm here. And then top right-hand corner, Tammy, because it sounds like you're about to sign up. Top right-hand corner, if you click on your name, let me close this out. If I call, it says 302. Click on your name, top right corner, scroll down to where it says scheduled training. We offer live training, free one-on-one training sessions with our educators. So there's a handful of guys that do trainings all day and just kind of can like walk you through the platform in a more one-on-one sort of setting. You know, some people really appreciate having that sort of care and attention given to them. So if you need that, that's available to you as well. Yeah, so multi-screen view, B-Cart, awesome. Glad you're into it. That is a new feature that we just added. You can grab that by clicking on your name. Anybody who is not familiar with the multi-chart view or the multi-symbol view, click your name in the top right corner, click on Open Multi-Symbol View, and you get this. You get a whole new workspace. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and throw all these guys on, just kind of see where we're at on everything. Got the Qs up, got SPY up, got IWM. What else should we have here? Maybe let's put it up UUP here. You know, obviously one thing we've been watching is the dollar and the inverse correlation that the dollar has to equities. Equities gain, dollar loses, dollar gains, equities lose. So past couple of days have been pretty killer for equities, and look at what the dollar's been doing. It's been selling off. But I'm suspect now. We're going to have to watch this super, super close to see kind of where we go here. I'm so glad you're stoked on the multi-ticker view, B-Cart. That's great. It's a super helpful little tool to have for sure, especially if you're the type of trader that likes to watch multiple names at once. Yeah, you'd put the VIX up. We could put the VIX up. I'm into that. Let's put the VIX up. So the multi-chart view, there is a bit of difference in the functionality that you have access to on multi-chart view in comparison to the standard view. With the standard view, you can access all of those tools. You can access the scanner. You can access the strategy tester and so on. On the multi-chart view, you'll notice that those buttons up here are missing. So really, multi-chart view, you can create alerts, you could do drawings, all that sort of stuff. But really what this is for is just for being able to watch all of the tickers that you want to watch at any given time. You can create alerts. You can, of course, have your indicators, all that sort of stuff up. But kind of more for the active trader who's using multiple charts as kind of like an indicator, you know. Really great for if you're watching 10 tech names at once. You see one tech name happen to be strong, other tech names or other names maybe in the same space are lagging. A good way to pick up laggards or that sort of thing. We're 4 minutes away here, guys, from the big announcement. Interesting setups across the board. Coming right into the past couple days highs, or well, not past couple days, but past days highs. Kind of the same setup really across the board. SPY may be looking, or rather IWM may be looking the strongest of the bunch. Ooh, futures moving. Indices have not really quite followed yet. We can throw up BTC. Hold up. Let's do it. That's a good idea. Skeezy. Let's throw up ETH here too. I mean, ETH is probably going to pretty much do what Bitcoin does, but it's worth it to watch. Tammy, I'm glad you like the music. Yeah, Dream's all about the VIX, huh, Mike? 2 minutes. 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. Future's quite volatile. I've just got him on a second screen, hanging out over here. Keeping an eye on them. Ha ha. Well, I mean, Skeezy, I'd be in bed too if I weren't here. But it's nice to wake up early. Get a good idea of what's going on in the markets. Old Mikey over here, he's in Cali too. That man's just been up since last night. He just hasn't gone to bed yet. But props to you. I mean, even though you're in bed, you're up, you're watching. It's 5:30 a.m. for you. One minute here. Where would ETH go if inflation turned negative? Oh, I don't know. ETH's got other stuff coming too. ETH's got the merge. That's like the big question mark, right? We don't know really what the merge is going to do. Ooh, futures going again. Oh man, so volatile. Ooh, hold up. All right, so huge drops in Bitcoin. Huge drops across the board. What is going on here with multi-symbol? Interesting. All right, so we're going to switch back to individual pane. 8.3. So hotter than anticipated, huh? What's up, Chewy? Thank you for being here, Senor. Dang. So then 8.3. So that pretty much locks in a higher rate, right? A higher hike. Is what a joke, Amit. Remember, the last four. Yeah, Manny, that's interesting, man. You did call it. The last four CPI prints, when we had these big washes in pre-market, even when they got bought back, they did end up selling off rest of the day. What's up, Bradley? How are we doing? Hope you're well. Q's getting rocked here. Trading 305. Mikey, I think you're going to be right, my friend. Mikey called 306. SPY trading 404. So Q's and SPY both down about $10. IWM kind of holding in there a little bit better than the others. Oops, let's go VIX. Actually, let's do this. TVIX. Is this a thing still? No. Bye-bye to your SPY lottos. Oh, sadness. Yeah, let's see what's up with the dollar. Yeah, I mean, the dollar isn't really doing much of anything just yet. I mean, it's gaining, but... You called the fake rip in the dump. What's up, Carson? Yeah, sorry about your SPY lotto, Skeezy. That's a bummer. Well, 9.6 hold after hot CPI. What's 9.6, sir? Antonio, nice. Good job. How's NVDA looking for Antonio? Excuse me again. Down about, what, $4, $5, $6 actually from yesterday's close. Jason longed. I didn't long anything yesterday at the close. we finding any support here? Not really. All right, so let's start looking. Looking lower. Mike's call. Move all this stuff. I'm just going to go to Q's. Mike said 306, right? Mike said 306. Karachi said 306.69. Very interesting. Kind of at a big spot here, huh? Nice little untested spot. Pausing right there at it, huh? Mr. Mikey. 303.74. Decent spot to catch a little bid. You want me to throw FUTs up, Brad? I will. But I didn't know we were doing that yet. $200% on ES FUTs. Nice. Good job, Manny. Yeah, so for folks asking about FUTs, here's your live FUTs. All those guys. ES trading 40.50. And Q right to the spot. $12.390 might be an interesting spot too. $5.5 G's, yeah. Nice, Karachi. Let's go, dude. Karachi blowing up over here. Oh, come on. You're not going to... There it is. That's Karachi's position. Crushing. Thanks. Thank you, Sir Bread. All these lines drawn before the price action. I can tell you that. Carlos, what up? You got a sell position at the very top on SPY. Would you hold or take profits? Whew. Well, I don't know, man. I can't tell you what to do there. Where are you short from? There you go. Take profit. The crowd has spoken, Carlos. TP that bad boy. So what do we think now, guys? Are we toast? %. There you go. Take some. Feed the family. Go buy yourself something nice. And leave a little bit on in case things get even worse and your position does better. Bradley, let's talk about that position. Or that, let's talk about that signal. Because I think I know the signal you're talking about. You talking about this bad boy right here? That close? Yep. Yep. So we talked about this. We got to close below the pivot. Just a signal, not a Bible. But an important thing to have happened. The close below that pivot. UVXY. What's up with UVXY? Nice. Held a higher low. Cutting through everything. It's not a good look, is it? So now where are we looking? So this guy failed. Maybe they take it all the way back to 300. There's not much that we haven't done. Got anchored view app from the September lows. Coming in at 301.24. That could potentially be a spot. Let's go daily here. Yeah. $298. Anchored view app from June lows. Same level, 301 or so. That's interesting. Let's get that thing back up on the chart here. There it is. $3.69. Interesting. Apple losing 160. Excuse me. Apple. Yeah, they came right into that gap yesterday. Where's that gap at? There it is. Came right into the gap, filled it, wicked through it, and lost it. Big spot right here. 159.59. CPRX? No. I don't know what that is. Dang. I guess I've seen it. I don't know. I got a line drawn on it. But I haven't looked at it in a long time, I guess. Where are we at here? Okay, so we're at all-time highs. Gotta be. It's a hell of a move, that's for sure. Are you in it? Kois? Hopefully you are. If anybody's just tuning in, and you are not yet a TrendSpider subscriber, I want to hook you up. I want to help you out. I want you to be a TrendSpider subscriber. So, with that in mind, here's a 35% discount for you. 35% off any plan of your choice. CPRX added to the small cap index. Francois. So it's SWA. SWA 7? Is that right? Am I saying that right? Nice. What's up, SWA 7? Anyway, anybody who's not a TrendSpider user, take advantage of this deal. 35% off any plan of your choice. 7-day free trial. You got nothing to lose. Give the platform a go for 7 days. See how you like it. Ask me questions about it. Ask our customer success team. Ask them questions about it. Get comfortable. Scanning, back testing, alerting, trading bots. Tons of cool data. Like peripheral data in this widget section, news, analyst estimates, seasonality, smart checklists, unusual options. People pay full monthly fees for just unusual options. They come standard on TrendSpider. Every single plan has access to unusual options. No additional cost. You can filter by expiration date, by premium, by strike. Let me do this here real quick. I'm going to add some news and some seasonality. 8.3% year over year. Crazy. Yep, UUP popping. Yep, held the low. TNX. What is strong today? Is there anything that is strong? No. TNX, UUP. No names on my watch list are red, or green rather. That's hilarious. All right, guys, what do we got going on this week? We've got a Spaces tonight, Twitter Spaces. We do this every Tuesday night, pretty much. Every Tuesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. We've got Twitter Spaces. We've got Rosanna Invests. We've got Juicy Trades. We've got Blue Moon Trades. And we've got Stock Swing Alert. They're going to be bringing their 2 favorite trade ideas for the week. So we're going to get 8 new trade ideas from these studs. So if you're interested in some new trade ideas for the week, come hang out for the Twitter Space tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern time. You are all welcome. We'd love to have you all there. Thursday, we're going to be live with Theta Warrior. Don't know if you guys know him. You probably do. He's a pretty well-known dude. We're going to be live with Theta Warrior right here on TrendSpider TV. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to be doing a live charting show. We do this almost every Thursday, too. Live charting meaning you guys bring tickers. We chart them out for you. Give you our thoughts on them. Theta's a great dude. We love him. And he's a great trader. He's got a lot of really good ideas. So if you have tickers that you want Theta to kind of take a look at, you want to get his opinion on, come hang out with us for the show. We'd love to see you there. 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Again, 35% discount. Anybody who is not a TrendSpider user, we got a 35% discount coupon available for you right now here in the chat. I'm going to throw it up one more time. It's right there. 35% off any plan of your choice. 7-day free trial. You hit me with any questions that you have about the platform anytime. I'm happy to assist. Give me a follow on Twitter. I'm here. I'm around. I would love to help you get more comfortable on the platform. What else we got? What else we got? I think that's it. I think that's everything. So it's just a really quick one today. I wanted to be here for the CPI print. I wanted to talk to you guys about your thoughts on the CPI print. We've got some guesses for the close today. I think I'm going to lose. Me and Skeezy and David and Amit, we all lost, fellas. I'm sorry, but we lost. If I call, you might win. So bragging rights potentially to Fikal for the 302 guess. Mike, 306. We'll see how this thing opens up today and how we trade throughout the day. Brad, I guess 318. I thought it was going to come in cooler than expected. I thought we were going to get a nice move. Before I get out of here, you guys, does anybody have any questions about anything? Anything I can help with? Anything you're curious about? Because I don't want to leave with questions unanswered. But trading day is going to start here in 30 minutes. I know you guys got things to do. You got stocks to trade. And I want you to be able to focus on your trades. So what's up, guys? CPI. Consumer Price Index, sir. Jordan, absolutely, man. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And thank you to everybody for being here. Thank you, Bread. Good to see you, my man. Swa7. Great to have you here. Manny, congrats on the big trade. Stoked for you. Mikey. Did I say Chewy already? Karachi. Also, congrats on the big trade. Nana, Carlos. Carlos, congrats on the big trade. Antonio, Marvin, Amit, Skeezy, Carson, Fabio, what's up? Old Mikey, B. Cart, Tammy, David, Tony. Who else? Did I miss anybody else? Habib. Appreciate you guys all being here. JP, Lush, Michael, PJ. You guys, please take advantage of that discount. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Be safe out there if you're trading. Trade them well. Trade them carefully. Mind your risk. And like I said, please holler if you need anything. Please holler if you need anything. I'm here to assist you with any questions that you have about the platform. Our team, our support team, via that contact us button, they're there to assist you. Just want to make you guys as comfortable on the platform as we can make you. So hit us up if you have any questions. Holler if you need anything. Have a great rest of your trading day. And thank you for hanging out with me for a very short little while here this morning, watching the CPI print. We will see you guys very soon. Again, tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, Twitter Spaces. Thursday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, here, TrendSpider TV on YouTube with Theta Warrior live charting show. So we got a bunch of stuff coming up. Would love for y'all to be a part of it. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you all very soon. Peace out.